Number 47. Yeah, we only got 3 left. Write the equation line containing the perpendicular bisector of ST. Write in slope-intercept form. This is going to be a blast. So we want the perpendicular bisector of ST. Okay, so the perpendicular bisector of 6, 4 and negative 6, 10. Okay, so the first thing we got to do is find the midpoint. So the midpoint is going to be x plus x over 2, y plus y over 2, right? So we're going to add up our x's. 6 plus a negative 6 divided by 2 would be 0. Add up our y's. 4 plus 10 divided by 2 would be 7, wouldn't it? So 0, 7 would be our midpoint, right? Next step is to get the slope of this. So the slope is going to be delta y over delta x. So we're going to do fraction bar minus minus, 4 minus 10, and 6 minus a negative 6. 4 minus 10 is negative 6. 6 minus a negative 6 is 12. The slope would be negative 1/2. The perpendicular slope of that would be 2, wouldn't it? Okay, so we know the slope and we know a point. We're going to plug it into point slope form. Y minus blank equals blank, parentheses, x minus blank. Our y is 7, our m is 2, and our x is 0. So we're going to get y minus 7 equals 2x minus 0. Move over the 7. Y equals 2x plus 7 is the line. Wow. Now then, let's check it. Let's graph 6, 4. Over here, go up 6, up 4, draw a dot. Go negative 6, up 10, draw a dot. Am I on the right line? Yep. So our midpoint is going to be somewhere right in here, isn't it? The midpoint ended up being 0, 7. So the midpoint ended up being this, didn't it? Okay, so we have this line right here. This is our perpendicular slope. It goes through the 7 and then it goes up 2 over 1. The opposite of that is down 2 over 1. Down 2 over 1, and do one more time. Down 2 over 1, and this right here is going to be my line, isn't it? So this line right here bisects this line segment, and it forms a perpendicular angle, doesn't it? Ho, 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 ho. So you got to find the midpoints. X plus x over 2, y plus y over 2. Get your midpoint. Find the slope of this line. Flip it and get the negative reciprocal for the perpendicular. Use point slope, and then get the slope-intercept. That is fun. Okay. Number 48 is even more fun. Okay.